With the growing competition and new players entering the aviation landscape, the precision that the industry needs to follow is no doubt incredibly high. Therefore, it's becoming essential for the aviation industry to streamline processes and subsequently reduce their operational costs. Sadly, the current procurement software available to the aviation industry calls for complicated setup and constant monitoring by dedicated IT staff. This puts companies at risk of human error, inaccurate data, and bad procurement strategies that are common for aircraft industries. Often, this all leads to one thing: financial losses. ERP.aero is a cloud-based aviation platform specifically designed to provide aerospace manufacturers, suppliers, and repair organizations with an integrated platform to manage the purchasing, leasing, exchanging, repairing, and selling of aircraft parts. Our easy-to-use software doesn't require complicated setup or human intervention. There are no issues hampering current procurement systems, and its comprehensive customization features make ERP.aero adaptable to any business model. ERP.aero can further integrate with other online resources like inventory listing marketplaces. These include ILS, Aero Exchange, and more, as well as parts manufacturing or distributing websites. It's the best way to bring all procurement-related tasks into one single system. We offer multilingual support by phone, email, and a special web form to help our clients support their system and augment their ability to find the parts they need as quickly as possible. This way, you can rest easy, knowing that even your most urgent requirements will now be little less pressing. Become part of our esteemed team by adopting our cloud-based ERP solution for your aviation business today.